Do you feel like your credit score is holding you back? A good credit score can open doors to better loan rates, lower insurance premiums, and even easier approvals for apartments or jobs. The good news is, improving your credit score is totally possible. And today, I'm going to show you 5 simple steps to make it happen. Step 1. Check your credit report. Before you can fix your credit, you need to know where you stand. Request your free credit report from a trusted site and review it carefully for any errors. Mistakes like incorrect balances or late payments that weren't your fault can drag down your score. If you find any, dispute them and have them removed. A clean report is the first step to a better score. Step 2. Pay your bills on time every time. This is the single most important factor in your credit score. Late payments, even by a few days, can negatively impact your credit. Set up automatic payments or reminders so you never miss a due date. Even if you can only make the minimum payment, make sure it's on time. Consistency here is key. Step 3. Lower your credit utilization. Credit utilization is how much of your available credit you're using. If you're regularly maxing out your credit cards, it can hurt your score. Aim to keep your utilization below 30%. That means if you have a credit limit of $1,000, try to keep your balance under $300. Paying down balances is one of the fastest ways to boost your score. Step 4. Don't open too many new accounts at once. It might seem like a good idea to open a bunch of credit cards to increase your available credit, but applying for too many cards in a short period can actually lower your score. Each time you apply for credit, it triggers a hard inquiry, which can temporarily ding your score. Be patient and selective about applying for new credit. Step 5. Build a long credit history. Your credit score improves the longer your accounts have been open and in good standing. That's why it's important to avoid closing old credit cards, even if you're not using them. Keeping them open adds to your overall credit age, which positively impacts your score. The longer your history, the better your score. Improving your credit score takes time, but by following these steps, you'll start to see real progress. A higher credit score means more financial opportunities, better rates on loans, mortgages, and even lower insurance premiums. Don't wait to take action. Start by checking your credit report, paying down balances, and making every payment on time. With patience and persistence, your credit score will rise, and so will your financial freedom. Found this helpful? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more personal finance tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next step to building your financial future. Share this with anyone who could use a credit boost. It could make all the difference. Take control of your credit and watch the opportunities grow.